There's something that bugs me about the whole law of attraction thing, and maybe it's been bugging you too. It's this resistance to change, especially when it comes to manifesting money. I mean, how is it that people are still clinging to techniques that, let's be honest, stopped working before the internet was even a thing? No judgment. I've done them all too. Sat in meditation, trying to visualize my bank balance growing like it was Jack's beanstalk. But it's time we had a real talk. Not a sugar-coated, just stay high vibe kind of thing. Because people are struggling and they're blaming themselves, thinking they're broken or that the universe is ignoring them. But what if the problem isn't you? What if it's the method, the approach, the whole belief system? Okay, so let's walk through 5 things, big things that I believe are outdated in the manifesting world. And yeah, I might ruffle a few feathers, but feathers sometimes need ruffling. Otherwise, they just lie there, sad and dusty. Number 1, affirmations. Repeating them over and over, like a broken record. I am rich, I am abundant, I am powerful. Yeah? Great. Except you're also scared. You're unsure. Your rent's due on Tuesday and you're hoping your card doesn't decline at the supermarket. Affirmations, when they don't feel true, can actually make you feel worse. Like shouting, I'm warm, I'm hot, while standing in a blizzard in Crocs. Here's what works better. Curiosity. Noticing the thoughts that show up without trying to edit them. Just observe. Because when you stop trying to force belief, a funny thing happens. You start seeing through the nonsense. The old mental scripts start to unravel, like pulling threads on a jumper that never really fitted in the first place. It's not about repeating what you want to believe. It's about seeing what you already believe and questioning if it's actually true. Number 2, acting as if. This one makes me twitch. Like when people say, spend like you're rich and the universe will reward you. Sorry, what? No, that's how you get into debt and start receiving letters with final warning printed in red at the top. I knew a guy, I won't name him, but he leased a BMW to keep his vibe high. He ended up delivering Amazon parcels in that same car just to pay it off. You don't have to fake wealth to feel abundant. You just need to feel safe, secure, capable. I've got a free but very short, hugely enlightening masterclass on how to manifest money effortlessly. It's free. I'll put a link in the description. Acting as if shouldn't mean pretending. It should mean behaving like someone who trusts themselves to make smart choices, even small ones, like cooking at home instead of ordering Uber Eats for the 4th time in a week. Guilty. Real abundance? It's less flashy than you think. It's having options and knowing you're not at the mercy of your next sale, your next client, or whatever Mercury is doing in retrograde. Number 3, the feel good or else trap. Right, this one really messes with people. You've probably heard it. Your emotions create your vibration. So if you feel bad, you're pushing money away. And suddenly you're panicking about your panic. Trying to cheerlead yourself out of sadness like some manic motivational speaker in your own head. But here's the rub. Humans don't feel amazing 24/7. We're not Labradors. We get overwhelmed. We cry at car insurance ads. We rage when the Wi-Fi cuts out mid-Zoom. Trying to force yourself to feel good, it's like trying to hold a sneeze. Eventually it just explodes in your face. Instead, try letting your emotions just be. Let the clouds pass. They always do. And you'll notice clarity arises from the quiet, not the control. Some of my best money-making ideas came when I was doing nothing. Literally hanging shirts in my wardrobe or staring at a kettle that refused to boil. It's in the non-doing that the doing starts. Number 4, vision boards, the sacred collage of dreams. I used to have one. Had a private jet on there, some gold bars, a mountain villa. I used to stare at it like it was a portal to another dimension. But let's be real. Vision boards often become emotional screensavers. They look pretty, but they rarely lead to action. You pin all your desires up on a board, and then what? You wait. Hope they leap off your wall into your life. As it turns out, just staring at success can reduce your chances of achieving it. There's actual research on this. Mental contrasting works better. If you must indulge in some technique, that means picturing what you want and acknowledging the obstacles. I mean, if you want to make more money, instead of gluing a yacht onto a bit of card, maybe imagine yourself writing the pitch, publishing the book, making the ask, having the awkward conversation. Vision without intention is just wallpaper. Personally, I found any technique just gets in the way. Manifesting is easy when you stop trying to make it happen by any means. You'll see what I mean when you watch my short masterclass. From memory, it's under 10 minutes. It's called The Missing Piece in Your Money Manifestation. Here's a QR code in case you want to pause the video and get the link that way. Number 5, the wait for the universe method. Oh, this one. It sounds beautiful, doesn't it? Just ask, and the universe will deliver. Except people end up waiting and waiting and wondering why Amazon delivers faster than their manifestation. Here's the twist. The universe isn't out there. It's not some cosmic delivery service with a backlog of abundance orders. It's in you. It's your insights, your ideas, that weird little urge to email someone or start something or say no to something you always said yes to. It's not external, it's expression through you. When you stop waiting and start listening, the whole game changes. Seriously, the moment you stop asking and start acting on what's already nudging you, that's when the magic kicks in. So, what now? Here's what I'm suggesting. Not that you abandon the idea of manifesting money, but that you evolve it. Let go of the fluff, the performative bits, the rituals that look nice on Instagram, but do nothing in real life. Manifesting isn't about techniques. It's about tuning in, trusting your gut, letting life move through you without all the overthinking. You're not broken. You're not blocked. You're just buried under a pile of outdated advice. Dust it off, step forward, and maybe, just maybe, let this be the moment you stop trying to manifest and start actually allowing money to flow. Not from out there, but from right here, from you. There, I've said it. Got that off my chest. I feel better now, but that's not the point. I hope you feel better, relieved even. I know this has been straight talking, but it needed saying. Let me know in the comments what your biggest takeaway from this video is. And remember to watch my masterclass on effortless money manifesting. I'll put the link in the description, and here's the QR code again. As I said, I hope this video has been helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you very soon in another video.